Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Did you know that vehicles after 2018 are required to have a backup camera? So, what about your older model year vehicles? Wouldn't it be nice to add a backup camera? Well, I'm here to tell you about one of our newest products available from iBEAM Vehicle Safety Systems. It's the TE-5MSC multi-mount camera system. This camera kit is designed to provide the driver with a clear view of their surroundings while parking or reversing, offering the ultimate solution for enhancing the vehicle safety and maneuverability. The system comes with 5 different mounting options: a license plate bracket, rubber mount, angle mount, square mount, and a flush mount. So whether you're mounting it on your license plate of your sedan or over the rear doors of your delivery van, the one kit has you covered. And the camera delivers an excellent low light capability to allow drivers to navigate safely in dimly lit areas and during nighttime parking. And with the parking guideline feature enabled, the driver can accurately gauge distances and maneuver the vehicle with ease. Now hooking up that trailer has never been easier. So whether you're using your aftermarket radio with a backup camera input or one of our iBEAM rear view mirrors with built-in monitor, you now have the convenience of a backup camera in your vehicle. So check out this product and other iBEAM products online at ibeamusa.com.